Hello, today we're making chicken adobo, the national dish of the Philippines. 5 chicken legs. Skin on, bone in. 1 cup onion. Half a cup of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 2 teaspoons black peppercorn. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of garlic. Free bay. 500 ml water. In my pot, I have the chicken. Everything else will go in as well. Bay. Garlic. Onion. Sugar. Peppercorns. Vinegar. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. And finally, water. Medium heat, 15 to 20 minutes. If you want, some people put potatoes in. Interesting facts about the Philippines. The Philippines has over 120 languages. The national language is Tagalog. There are over 7,000 islands that make the Philippines. The capital is Manila. The currency is the peso. The population is 114 million. Filipinos like basketball and karaoke. That's my Filipino facts. Let's go back to the cooker. Job done, delicious. Done, easy. You eat this with white rice. Thank you very much. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Mabuhay!
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.